Hey guys, how's it going? It's a Pocket back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Mac. So let's get started. Alright, I know I am in the middle of my exam period. Unfortunately, that's why I have been so inactive for quite a while. Also because I was on holidays a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, you name it. There's a lot of pressure right now. Loads of things are going on. So yeah, there's kind of a mess in the background. So that's why I need some break. Anyway, news aside, let's go straight to the video. Okay, so in order to back up your Mac, you need only one thing, which is an external hard drive. Now, if you don't have one, please go ahead on Amazon and buy one because it's really important. So you can find SSDs for just below $100 if you're lucky, or you can get a hard drive which is less than $50 if you're also lucky. I got my SSD for like 80 or 90 pounds, which is a very good deal. So be sure to get one if you don't have one, and please make sure to target for 1 terabyte and up because it's always good to have space. And if your Mac has, more than 1 terabyte, make sure to target that more than terabyte. So make sure that you get a size which is similar or bigger than your Mac. So after that, then take your external hard drive and connect it to your Mac, and then go to your system preferences, and then go where it says Time Machine. From here, click on Select Backup Disk, and select the external hard drive that you just put in, and then say erase. Bear in mind that if you have data in your external drive, this is going to erase all of your data from your external drive. So I highly recommend you to back up your data somewhere else. So then click on erase after you're done. Okay, so now I'm going to explain what is going on. So Time Machine is an app on your Mac which converts your external hard drive into a backing up destination. So what happens is that all the data from your Mac are going to be stored on your hard drive as a backup, just in case something happens in your Mac. And initially this is going to back up all the data to your hard drive. Then after that, it's going to perform hourly backups on your hard drive. So every hour, Time Machine will be backing up data on your hard drive. And also for the past month, so last month, so for example, right now we have August. So for July, it's going to keep daily backups. So for example, the backup that we had on Thursday, on 30th of July, is going to be different than the backup that we had on 29th of July. So something like that. And then weekly backups for all previous months. So every previous month, like for example, January 2019, you can have all the weekly backups. So this is pretty much how Time Machine organizes all the backups. And then you can choose whichever backup you want to restore on your Mac at any time. Also, you have the option to turn off backup automatically, but I highly encourage you not to because this is going to stop Time Machine to do any backups. So I highly recommend to have this on. Plus, if you go to options, you also have the option to tell your Mac whether you would like to back up while on battery power, so while not charging the laptop. Otherwise, will only perform backups while your MacBook is being charged. So this is only an option for MacBooks. And also you're going to be notified for every backup which is going to be deleted. And that pretty much brings me to this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to hit the like button if you like this video. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know. Give me all your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video to your friends if you liked it and if you would like to provide some help to your friends. And of course, most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to receive every single notification from our YouTube channel and be among the first ones to watch them. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.